if you want to be safe in the YouTube game, if you want to avoid copyright, reuse content when it comes to sound effects, instruments or music, the best place to download them is the YouTube audio library. So today I will walk you through the YouTube audio library, how to download the best instrument or music that fits your video, and also show you the instrument or music that requires credit, so that you will do that in order to stay safe in the YouTube game. So without wasting much of your time, just click on the like button, subscribe to join the community if you are new here. Let's move on with today's video. You can watch this video, how to gain 4,000 watch hours. I just uploaded this, so after this go and watch that video to know how to gain the 4,000 watch hours. So guys, for you to download the free music, sound effects or instrument, the first thing is to open YouTube, then click on this profile icon here. Then the next is to click on YouTube Studio. So this will open. The next thing you're going to do is to scroll down and click on audio library. So guys, that will open the YouTube audio library. Over here we can download music, sound effects and use them in our videos, and we will not get any copyright or reuse content. So you can also search or filter the library by track title, genre, mood, artist name, duration, attribution not required, and those that require attribution. Okay, so over here you can click and listen to the music, the sound effects or the instrument, and this is the track title. The genre is here, the mood, so you can choose the mood that suits your video. The artist name, the artist is also here, the duration, and we have the license type. When you click on that, you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution required. YouTube may credit the artist and link the audio library from your videos. Guys, so we can download this music or sound effects or instrument and use them free without any attribution. So if you want to download, all that you're going to do is to click on the download. The next thing that I'm going to show you is those that requires attribution. Let's pause. I want you to do me a simple favor, and it takes nothing to do this. I have dedicated my time, my resources, sleepless night to shoot the entire video for you. If you appreciate this content, all that you're going to do is to click on the like button. By doing this, you are telling YouTube to promote this video to anyone who is searching for this content. Number 2, subscribe to join the community for free. Why must you subscribe? Over here I take you through financial freedom, building wealth together step by step, no scam, real proof, personal experience. The goal is to build 3 things over here: 1, financial freedom; 2, time freedom; and 3, location freedom. So subscribe to join the community as I count 1, 2, 3. Thank you for subscribing. Comment in the description, let me know where you are watching me from, and I will welcome you into the community. So without wasting much of your time, let's move on with today's video. So you can come here and choose attribution required. Okay, so if you check here, you can see over here, let's click. You can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. However, you must include the following information in your videos. So guys, all that you're going to do if you want to use this particular music, sound effects or instrument is to copy these details and paste them in your video description, and you'll be safe. Simple. So if you want to download, you're gonna click on download. Very simple. Let's check some of the sound effects. Okay, so guys, over here there's a lot of sound effects and YouTube keeps on updating, so you can download any music, instrument or sound effects and use them in your videos. Very simple. Alright guys, so this is how you can download any audio or music, sound effect from the YouTube audio and stay safe in the YouTube game. If you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Without wasting much of your time, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.